Welcome back, pure structure traders and YouTube, for another market analysis for the London session and potentially into the US session. Today is November 23rd, 2021 here in Hawaii, and will be November 24th, 2021 in London. Today we'll be going over S&P 500, gold, and also oil, giving you guys some of the levels that we'll be looking at. So again, if you guys do like these videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Any questions you guys got, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We would love to get back to you guys. Okay, but with that said, let's go ahead and jump into it though. For S&P 500, we did have nice movement today, and we pulled all the way back up to our resistance, somewhere around these 46.88s. You can see popped a little bit above that, and then we're retesting it 2 times. I do think for S&P, we're going to fall back to a little bit of some support levels. Right here, 46.74 is the first area that I'm looking at right here. Want to see if we hold it. Kind of held it a couple times here, so interested to see if this level holds and then bounces right back up. If not, I am looking between 68 to about 70. Was a nice area at the 68s for a long opportunity this morning. Again, these 85, 86s were a nice short opportunity down too. So we could see the movement come down into this area, and you can see if we break that low side, it's going to be those 60 to 61s again. And you can see we've actually pushed a little bit further down, getting into those 55s on the support area, and then even below that prior we got as low as about 48.75. So could get that low again, so keep that in mind. I do think we're going to come down just a bit, so 74 is going to be the area we're looking for the first long opportunity, if not 68 to 70, and then below that's going to be about 60 to 61, and then if we get underneath that, we may end up continuing to fall even lower. So we do got this resistance. That's going to be the area we're looking to short. Even if we get that pullback, want to see it fail here and then look for the short side from there. For those who want a lower short, you could, if we get under 74, try to short it back down to 68. Going to be a little bit of a tight one if you try to do that one, but keep in mind, still could potentially even fall deeper, so keep that in mind as you're trading these areas. I do like the pullback here and then a short opportunity if we fail to go through it. So that's going to be my resistance and my short idea. Supports you can see down below like we've mentioned. Let's move over into a smaller chart here on S&P. So S&P is already falling down. You can see how much rotations we had at our resistance area here. And again, nice double top right there that formed and a nice pull down. I want to see this extend even lower into these 74s. So that's going to be the trade idea there. As we come into 74, then we'll look for some support, and then we got these well, this little bit of a micro area of 70. Major area for me is 68. So if we fall through the 74s, this is going to be the 68 level that I'm looking for this thing to bounce up from, and if not, 60 to 61, as that becomes a lower support area for us as well. Again, for those who want that short, I do like the conservative level up here for a nice short opportunity, but you could, like we did earlier, get these little bit of micro areas here, 81ish, and then if we fail, nice double top there, could look for a short down from that area as well. So we'll see what happens here on S&P. Moving over into gold, let's take a look at what gold has been doing. So gold was in a nice downward movement. You can see still the same levels of resistance. Want to see if gold actually pulls back up to it. We did hold some support areas. Nice area at 1784.7, and then below that 1, 2, 3 tries to break those 81.1s. Couldn't. You can see that nice triple bottom to push to the upside. You can see 1, 2, 3 attempts, and we couldn't break that low either. So we are looking for this thing to find this support, maybe right here at this micro area, 1792.8. That could be a great area of support here for the long opportunity right back into the resistance. If you're not comfortable with that, got to wait out for these 89.9s and then look for a nice long opportunity back up into those 1799.1 to about 0.2s as the resistance here. Above that 1802.6, and then you can see above that 1812 0.5 to about 1814.2 as the next levels above as resistance. So I do think for gold though, we may end up pulling up into the resistance, so keep that in mind, especially if you hold this structure here at 1792.8. If you want a little bit of a conservative level, 1789.9, and then look for a nice upside move from there. So let's take a look at a smaller chart here on gold. Let's take a look at what it's doing on the smaller chart. So you can see nice, boom, one, two touches here, and then should shoot off to the upside. Got to break this area of micro resistance here, though. Keep that in mind. If we're not breaking it through that double bottom, may end up pulling just a little bit deeper down. Again, may retest this area of 92.8 and then shoot up from there. If not, look for this downside of 89.9 and then try and attempt there. If we fail to get through this area, that should be a decent opportunity as well. If we just fall right through it, I may end up looking for a retest here and then a fall down to our next level of 1784.7. So that's going to be the trade ideas there for the longs and the shorts. Again, another short area for me, 1799.2 to 0.3 as the area of resistance. Moving over into crude oil. Let's take a look at what crude oil has given us. So crude oil on the move back to the upside. We did hold some nice supports. 78.07 is going to be my area of support. You can see I drew a little bit of micro support that I want to see first. Right here at these 78.49s to as low as about 78.42. If we do not hold this support level and push up from here, I am anticipating this to fall back into 78.07. Below that, 77.85, and then below that 77.52. These are the support areas that I am looking at. They may potentially bounce the market back to the upside, so keep that in mind. Those are the areas. For the shorts, I'm honestly not really looking for too much shorts unless we get below 77.52, or if we get back up to 79.29, 79.59, or 79.79. Those are going to be my resistance areas, especially 79.79. That could potentially, when we pull into this, could potentially just shoot us right back down. So keep that level in mind as well. That could be nice short opportunities as the market gradually climbs into it. But that pretty much wraps it up for S&P 500, gold, and also oil. Again, if you guys do like these videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Any questions you guys got, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. If you guys do like these videos and you find it to be great content, again, please go ahead and hit that, smash that like button. Any questions you guys have, any concerns you have with trading, anything you want to learn or touch up on, feel free to pop that in here on YouTube as well. We'll go ahead and make some content for that as well for you guys. But other than that, if you guys continue to trade, make sure you guys trade well. You guys have a great night. Take care. Bye.